Hey, I'm Sarah and this is Creative Ramblings. Today I am going to show you how to make this beautiful mixed media floral sign. This sign is made using a wood plaque, some beautiful floral paper, and Mod Podge to put it all together. I'm sharing this floral sign today as part of the DIY Floral Challenge hosted by the Domer Home and Heidi Sonbull. There's a playlist in the description of this video that is packed full of inspirational videos, all dealing with flowers and floral decor, gardens, all kinds of things for your home. So you're definitely going to want to check out that playlist. So first, take a look at how easy it is to make this floral sign, and then be sure to check that playlist out below. I hope you were inspired to make something beautiful by that video. This DIY floral sign is really easy to make, and the technique of using paper and Mod Podge on a wood sign can be applied to any season and so many different projects in your home. So I hope you'll take those techniques and go out and make something on your own. Now before you go, be sure to check out the playlist in the description of this video. It's part of the DIY Floral Challenge, and it's full of inspiring floral videos that you're gonna want to replicate and be inspired by these projects and really get creative in your home this spring. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, you're probably gonna like some of these other videos as well. Be sure to give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel.